Morning. This video is going to be about how to troubleshoot when your collet is not pinching down onto your block. Tip the machine forward onto its face. Take your jam nut locking tool, put her down in there, take 1 to 1.5 turns out on it. Set the machine back up so you can see what you're doing. Run the collet all the way down until it gets tight. I like to put a piece of tape on it so I can refer to how many times I turn this. You're going to back it out 1 full turn. Put it back onto its face. Take your tool, put it in the jam nut. For safety's sake, just reach around here. Make sure that don't turn. Snug it up. Set it back up into the go position. And when you step on the pedal, you should be able to see that groove close up on you. Just like so. Give that a shot and let us know if that works. Thank you.